how to activate eSIM in iPhone Air. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. An eSIM is a digital version of a SIM card that lets you connect to your carrier's mobile network without inserting a physical SIM card. So in order to activate that, go ahead and launch the Settings application on your device and tap on Cellular. Further, you will see the option to add eSIM. Tap on the Add eSIM option there and you will see the option to scan the QR code. So go ahead and scan the QR code given by your carrier and then wait for a few seconds for the setup to complete, and with this, you will see your carrier name and signal bar appear. You can also tap on the Enter Details Manually option you see there, and further go ahead and enter the details given by your carrier service and then follow the prompts in order to complete the signing up process for your eSIM. Or you will also see the option for transfer from another phone. So on your old iPhone, you can go to Settings and then tap on Cellular and then on eSIM and then Transfer or Remove eSIM option you see there. And in your new iPhone, you can tap on the Transfer from your iPhone device option you see there. And further, follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the transfer on both the devices. So this is how you can activate eSIM in iPhone Air. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.